A new hangar at Westchester County Airport was formally opened on May 2nd. It's at the General Aviation Complex, operated by Million Air, which has airport facilities in the U.S. and overseas, providing services for airplane operators. Million Air is investing $80 million in improving its facilities at Westchester County Airport, and the new 52,000 square foot hangar will be followed in a few months with Million Air's new terminal for corporate and charter passengers and pilots of private aircraft. Roger Woolsey, CEO of Million Air, flew to Westchester from the company's headquarters in Texas for the opening.
I want you to know that these assets are very important to your community. They have deep meaning, not only the jobs they create, but the corporations that house their airplanes here. The corporations that bring their airplanes here, they're really what's driving the community. They're driving the local economy. They're putting jobs. And if you go back thousands of years ago, I mean, you know, what made Spain and England and all these great ports, you know, Casablanca so famous, is because they had to have a port. They had to have a port to move goods and people and services around the globe. And that's what an airport is. You know, 1 mile of concrete will take you a mile, but a mile of runway will take you to the world. These airports are real, true force multipliers that allow these aircraft to move their executives and their people to be in multiple cities and multiple locations. Our job at Million Air is to really drive that first impression of Westchester. I am in love with this community. I love driving down these beautiful roads and those beautiful rock walls. The homes are stunning, the trees. So our job is just to make sure that we greet the market makers of this community in a great way, and so that's what we're doing here.
Million Air leases the acreage it uses from the county, which was represented by Director of Operations Joan McDonald.
Westchester County and our Industrial Development Authority is very pleased and proud to partner with Million Air and helping to finance this facility and the expansion. The process can take a little bit, but we really recognize that this is not just a transportation facility, it is an economic driver for this county and this community.
Also speaking, Chairman of the County Board of Legislators, Benjamin Boykin.
When this idea first, Roger and his team came before the Board of Legislators a couple of years ago to talk about this and had to get the approval of the Board of Legislators, it takes a little longer than, you know, business people sometimes would expect, but we at the board are very thoughtful in going through the process and putting it through the committee process to make sure we ask the appropriate questions. Also to make sure that we're protecting our environment, that you're going to be a good neighbor while you are an economic engine.
Harrison Mayor Ron Belmont.
County of Westchester, town of Harrison is going through a complete renaissance right now. I mean, and this is just part of the renaissance we're experiencing in Harrison as well as Westchester County. This will open up tremendous assets to the town and also to the area.
Marcia Gordon is President and CEO of the Business Council of Westchester.
Million Air is an economic contributor to this community. But you look around and you think about all of the other services, all of the other businesses that are going to grow. It's a multiplier effect.
After the speeches, guests moved outside for a ribbon cutting.
One more.